Hello, my name is Nicholas Tyndall and I'm part of the Tugger project. What follows is a brief video showing the installation of Tugger as a service. It normally takes no more than 15 minutes and usually less. It can, however, take much longer if the prerequisites are not completed. Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service, shown here, will be needed later, but can be skipped for the Tugger app installation. TeamViewer is required if you want us to install Tugger for you, otherwise we can just provide the requisite files as needed. Microsoft.NET Framework 4.8 forms part of the Tugger installation service, but a server start may be required depending on what applications are running. It is better to install before the Tugger service. Finally, Tugger, available as a free trial, also needs setting up. Once done, select the cache option by clicking on Add this Tugger. And once the details are filled in and it's created, you will be returned here. Select View Details. The summary displays current activity, including how long a Tugger took and if it's currently running. The Application Setup tab provides the access ID and access key, which are required during your Cache Tugger installation. As you can see here, I have a virtual machine set up with Windows Server 2012. We recommend installing Tugger on the server. It does, however, need reliable access to the cache data folder, no matter where you install it. The service is installed like any other application, with the default path being the preferred option. For the cache server type, for yourselves it's likely to be remote, but this example uses local. This is our path, but yours could be similar to the one shown here, including the cache for Windows.add file. Finally, the access key and access ID from Tugger's Cache Application Setup tab, which I previously pasted into the file here for easy access. Once installed, we can see Tugger Cache under Services, where it can be stopped and restarted if required. If you wish to see how your first Tugger is doing, the website will show if it's running. But you can also check the logs, which provide more details. Tug starting is the first important line we look for, along with no error messages. And when it is finished, we'll get a Tug complete. As you can see, installing Cache Tugger as a service is a simple process. Thank you for watching.